Water is life. We've heard it countless times. It keeps our body cool, cushions our joints, helps our digestion, and even keeps our brain alert. But here's a question most people never ask. What if the way you're drinking water is doing more harm than good? Especially for seniors, people over the age of 60, staying hydrated becomes even more important. But 99% of seniors unknowingly make a simple mistake every day. It seems harmless, even normal, but over time, it can slowly affect your energy levels, your digestion, your heart, and even your kidneys. Today we're going to break it down in a simple and easy way. No medical jargon, no scary talk. Just real, practical tips to help you fix this one small mistake and boost your health in just 7 days. Let's get started. Part 1: Why water matters more as we age. When we're younger, our body is more forgiving. We bounce back quicker, recover faster, and get away with bad habits. But after 60, things change. Our body holds less water than it used to. We lose our sense of thirst, which means we often don't realize we're dehydrated. Our kidneys become less efficient, which means drinking too much water at once can be harmful. Certain medications, like blood pressure pills or diuretics, can increase water loss. That's why seniors are more prone to fatigue, muscle cramps, dizziness, constipation, and even confusion, all signs of dehydration that often go unnoticed. But here's the thing, it's not just about drinking more water. It's about drinking water the right way. And that brings us to the most common mistake almost every senior makes. Part 2: The big mistake: drinking water too fast, too cold, and at the wrong time. We all do it. You feel thirsty, pick up a big glass of water, and drink it down in a few big gulps. Maybe it's cold water. Maybe it's right after a meal. Maybe it's right before bed. Feels good, right? But that habit, though it feels harmless, is quietly working against your body. Here's how. Gulping water quickly overwhelms your kidneys, flushes out important minerals like sodium and potassium too quickly, can cause bloating and discomfort in the stomach. Drinking cold water, especially during or after meals, cold water can slow digestion. It causes your blood vessels to shrink, making it harder to absorb nutrients. Drinking water right after meals. It can dilute your stomach acid. This weakens your digestion and can lead to indigestion or heartburn. Drinking water right before bed might seem like a good idea, but it can lead to frequent urination at night, nocturia, which interrupts sleep and can cause fatigue the next day. Part 3: How to drink water the right way, a 7-day reset plan. Let's turn things around. You don't need to drink gallons of water or follow complicated routines. Just follow these simple steps over the next 7 days. Day 1: Sip, don't gulp. Instead of drinking a full glass all at once, take slow, small sip. This gives your body time to absorb water without overwhelming your system. Tip: keep a reusable water bottle nearby. Sip throughout the day instead of waiting until you're very thirsty. Day 2: Warm or room temperature water. Avoid ice-cold water, especially with meals. Warm or room temperature water supports better digestion and blood circulation. Tip: add a slice of lemon or cucumber to make it more refreshing and alkaline. Day 3: First glass right after waking up. Your body becomes dehydrated overnight. Drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning rehydrates your body and jumpstarts your metabolism. Tip: add a pinch of sea salt for natural minerals. This helps your body retain and use the water better. Day 4: Don't drink water right after meals. Wait at least 30 to 45 minutes after eating before drinking water. This allows your stomach to digest food properly. Tip: if you're very thirsty after meals, sip a small amount slowly. Day 5: Spread it out. Instead of drinking large amounts at once, spread your intake across the day. Tip: aim for 6 to 8 small glasses a day. Don't wait for thirst, make it a habit. Day 6: Be careful at night. Try to drink more water earlier in the day, and less after 7 p.m. This reduces nighttime bathroom trips and improves sleep quality. Tip: if you do drink water at night, just sip a small amount, not a full glass. Day 7. Listen to your body. Your body is smart. It gives you clues. Dry mouth, dark urine, dry skin, fatigue. These could all be signs of dehydration. Tip: watch your urine color. Pale yellow is ideal. Dark yellow means drink more water. Part 4. Common questions seniors ask about water. Can drinking too much water be harmful? Yes, especially for seniors with heart, kidney, or liver issues. Drinking too much water too quickly can cause water retention, swelling, or imbalance in electrolyte. What if I'm not thirsty? Thirst decreases with age, but that doesn't mean your body doesn't need water. Try building a routine. Drink water at the same times every day. What's the best water for seniors? Plain, filtered water is best. Mineral water is fine occasionally. Avoid sugary drinks, soda, and energy drinks. They dehydrate you. Part 5. The benefits you'll notice in 7 days. If you follow this simple 7-day plan, here's what many seniors notice. More energy and mental clarity. Less bloating and better digestion. Fewer muscle cramps. Better sleep quality. Improved skin moisture. Fewer dizzy spells and headache. And it all starts with fixing just one habit: how you drink your water. Wrap up. Water isn't just a drink. It's your body's most important medicine, but only when you use it the right way. So don't wait. Start today. Small sips, warm temperature, the right timing. Fix the one mistake 99% of seniors make, and your body will thank you every single day. Drink smarter, feel stronger. See you in the next video.